is Andre Theodore, and today I'm going to show you how to convert an ISO image to a USB flash drive, making the flash drive a bootable flash disk. So let's get right into it. Let's open up our browser, and here in the text box we're going to look for a tool called Rufus. So you're going to type RUFUS, go ahead and hit enter, click search, and here you see Rufus, create bootable USB flash drives the easy way. So go ahead and click the link that says rufus.akeo, and here on the Rufus website, scroll down to the download link. Here it says last updated 2014 November 9. Go ahead and click the link here, and just wait for it to download, and as it's finished, go ahead and click on it, and the Windows Security User Account Control block will pop up. Go ahead and click yes to run Rufus, and here you can see the different options to configure the Rufus program to make the flash disk bootable. As you can see, the device here, no label, and it says here master boot record partition scheme for BIOS and UEFI computers. So you will leave these two here at its default. It's asking to also select the file system. We can leave that at default as well, and we can also leave the cluster size as default, and we already have default options here checked off for you. But here in this one, create a bootable disk using, and it offers you more than one choice: MS-DOS, FreeDOS, ISO image. We are going to use an ISO image. So now we're going to browse for that ISO image by clicking on that button. I'm going to go to desktop, and we're going to try a Windows 7 Ultimate Edition. Now I've already browsed for that, and then after that we're just going to click on start the process, and it gives you a warning at first. Warning: all data on the device will be destroyed. To continue with this operation, click OK, and yes, we're going to do that. So make sure and use a flash drive that you're not using to store any information. And the process has begun, and this will take a few minutes according to the power of your laptop or desktop computer. So for now, I am going to just speed this up for you just for this tutorial. Here it says copying ISO files, so it's actually copying the files from the ISO, all the boot files and setup files, onto the flash drive, and it's going to do its thing and actually convert a flash disk to be bootable, so you can plug it into any computer USB port and select that flash drive as a boot device, as you would select your DVD drive or hard disk drive in your BIOS. As you can see, our procedure is almost completed, and please remember, for these procedures you would want to always use a flash drive that is bigger than your ISO image if you want this procedure to go smoothly for you. That is, if your ISO image is about 4 gigs, you would want to use an 8 gig flash drive. That's the approach you would want to take for these procedures to go smoothly for you. And the process here is almost to complete. Here it says 97%, TFS fix up, and it says done. So now, if we browse to flash drive. Let's just close this. If you go to my computer, start computer, and you go to your flash drive. Here it is, Windows 7 Ultimate 32-bit. If I right click on it and I open, here you see my boot file, my sources folder, everything that's needed, the boot, even the boot manager, and the main setup file. And if you click on the main setup file, let's click at yes, you would see popping up the Windows 7 install button here to go through the installation directly from the USB flash drive that we just converted. So if you was to put this flash drive into a laptop or desktop computer, yes, it would boot it once you go into that computer's BIOS and set to boot from USB flash drive, which most computers come with that feature today. I will show you to do that in another tutorial.